afternoon, YouTube. How's everybody doing? Today we're just doing a quick unboxing video of our GT500 owner's pack. Nothing crazy, it's just gonna be a super short video, and we're just gonna dig right into everything that they include in the owner's pack. You know, you spend $100,000, so it's nice that they at least give you something. But we'll hop right in. Alright, this is how you know you're officially a GT500 owner. Ooh. Oh, careful with it. Oh, look at that. You get the sleeve.
Nice box. We got a bunch of paperwork.
Ooh, autographed by Shelby from the grave.
Oh, it's actually a letter saying they're gonna repo the car.
You missed your first payment, but here's the package. We got it.
Limited edition, baby.
Ford Motor Company certifies that vehicle identification number blah 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 is a limited edition Shelby Gt500 Stang. Produced at the Flat Rock Assembly Plant.
Limited to 2020.
Can read.
I'm freaking pretty good at it. That's all that's in here. Josh said he's gonna hang this above his bed.
It's going on my fridge.
Like above his bed on the ceiling so he can look at it. You can put that in there.
Those.
What do we got here? What does this say?
Oh, we got a book.
Congratulations, welcome to... Look at that, we got a little history here. All the less fire Shelbys.
All the
I want that one.
All the not as cool ones.
Oh, we got Stang mode here. Shout out. Now we got
Track package. We need that.
track wing coming to a Shelby near you.
Stats.
11.5 quarts of oil.
Oh shit. I think this was a 60, yep.
That's a fun fact.
Ooh.
It's a nice looking little...
A little ugly.
transmission so you can see it when you blow it up.
That's
a nightmare.
That's the key right there. That's the key transmission.
That's that dual clutch quick shift hitter.
Alright, no one cares about this anymore.
Dude, there's plenty of people who care about this.
Stickers?
Alright, we'll go through the rest of that. Maybe later, maybe we won't, maybe we will. What do we got? Exclusive offer.
I wonder what color we're gonna choose.
Owner's edition, you gotta get one, buddy.
Choose your one of these.
Yeah.
That thing's sick.
Jeff, $500.
It's sold. It's exclusive offer.
Oh.
It's actually more than that with shipping.
If somebody else wanted to buy it, it would be $600.
Alright, we'll take two. No, we'll take one.
Black.
Just one?
Black is sick.
What's the owner's name? Josh. Ha.
You just put Larkin Motors as the owner.
Oh, I came with.
Was that just basically all the
Stang mode
options?
again?
Stang mode, just getting hooked up.
Yeah, there's the toolkit to take the diffuser and the other crap. I don't know what's on this.
Oh. Probably nothing.
Whoa, that Shelby USB, boys. They got that hidden gem.
This thing's like $700.
They got that content on there.
That thing's fast.
We'll see what that has on it later. This is the gem. No, I wish.
Ooh, what do we got here? Some
We got the
supercharger turbines
stuff.
Put that on my truck.
Oh yeah, baby.
Does it spin?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
That's going right on my desk.
An expensive pen holder.
Turn it for the boys. Oh damn.
Oh yeah. That's the big boy right there.
That's what
And
you
that's how you
just.
travel through
That's
town.
what you pay $100,000 for, ladies and gentlemen.
And then this guy goes on there with
Ooh.
the chassis number of the car.
Oh
We didn't get the most appealing chassis number, but something that you gotta live with.
839.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Careful, bud.
If he puts it on crooked, you can never go
You can't
back.
put it on crooked.
I've seen it.
I've seen.
I've done it.
Pressure's on, ladies and gents.
You can't.
Oh god.
Oh.
We'll just go like this so it can't be crooked. Just rest it on the bottom there. Perfect.
Oh, look
Look
at
at it's
that.
crooked.
Beautiful.
Put it on the desk.
Oh yeah.
Going on the desk just so we can remember. Remember the day we took delivery of our owner's pack.
You take off like the rain guard under the hood. Jeff picked that up.
Those Snap-on or are they Craftsman?
They're Shelby, brother. What do you think?
They're
Let's take a look.
they're
Shelby truck's gonna be coming now.
Shelby truck.
they're
Snap-on truck.
they're way more money than Snap-on.
They feel it.
You gotta pay $100 grand to get one of these.
Oh my! They got a fucking Cobra. Holy sh! We done made it, boys.
Well, we got some little bits.
If it don't spin, I ain't with it.
Other than that, they give you this here solid piece of box.
The box is the best part.
90 grand, what a steal! This thing's worth that alone.
We should keep this out so we can plug it in and see what the deal is.
Like, dude, hey,
Probably empty.
there's gonna come a
No,
night,
that's
right?
loaded with goodies.
One of you guys is gonna be sleeping, nestled in your little bed. You're gonna open your eyes. You can see this thing sitting on the thing, and you'll be like, yep, all right, it's worth it. 90 fucking grand, huh?
That's it.
I think I'd pay for that.
Where's the insignia at? On the box. Didn't have one? Eric has the top.
I know.
That's sexy as fuck. That's
Oh,
worth,
you got
that's
some
worth 50,
fucking-
50 right there, dude. They should have gave you a fucking pair of Jordans or something with it, dude.
Some Shelby J's. Plugging her in.
Same color as the.
Matches
Where's
your
the,
car. I think we're onto something, dude.
Let's see,
It's only set up
boys.
for Windows. Macs don't work.
Hey, you want?
Windows right now.
Yeah, that thing's junk though.
I know this one. This
the
one
L1?
isn't
See the
super
L1
undercover or anything, but we have both Mac.
see that?
For the two.
Give me a little back pressure here. There we go.
You see that?
That's me from punching.
I was gonna put.
All right.
You know where we mounted the
No
last
name.
Mac?
No name. Name it to Shelby.
Oh, we got some
drag
stuff.
tips.
We got some stuff on
Okay,
here.
tips.
Sorry, squirrel. I got said.
No, you're good.
We got
Yeah, that's fine, dude.
we got some
Okay.
content. GT500 owners supplement.
Hello, and welcome to US 131 Motorsports Park in Western Michigan.
They gave us.
I'm Jochen Tartak, professional driving instructor with the Ford Performance Racing School. We're here to provide tips on how to get the most out of your 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500 at the drag strip. Joining me are two of this incredible car's engineering team, Matt Tranter and Brian Zorman. Together, we're going to teach you best practices on how to launch this rocket to your personal best quarter-mile time efficiently and
No
safely.
one's posted this video.
You guys
yet.
ready? Do it. Let's do it. So tell me a little bit more about pre-race inspection.
Yeah, pre-race inspection is critical for safety. It's good to do a walk around of the car.
Oh, yeah.
You want to check your.
That was just a quick look at the owner's pack that you receive in the mail a few weeks after you purchase your GT500. And I even gave you a sneak peek of some of the stuff they put on this. It's just track tips and drag strip tips. So we are going to be needing that for sure. But other than that, that was just a quick video. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys while we had it. But we will see you guys Friday for the real video this week. Peace. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and head over to our Instagram. Check us out. We are doing a hashtag Veterans Helping Veterans project where each month we help a veteran get their car back on the road free of charge. And we're still looking for our May veterans. So guys, please head over to Instagram or Facebook and DM us if you have anyone who's in need. Peace.